Hi, we are Team Giro from Russia, and now we want to tell you about our innovative project. We want to solve the problem of shortage of electricity in energy-deficient regions. As you know, an ordinary office worker makes a lot of movements at his work. There is a printer, there is paper, he needs to spin, he stand up and sit down, he has wheels and tilt and backrest. And from all of these movements, we can generate electricity. We have prepared a prototype that already can generate electricity from the axis of rotation. Look at this. When you're spinning, the electricity is generating and the diode is lighting. We placed it in 5 real offices and tested it for a week in each of them. And after that we can say that only from the axis of rotation it generates electricity per day equal to the energy of a conventional finger battery. The cost of additional equipment is very cheap. It's only $6.2. Our project has no harmful emissions to the atmosphere, so it's eco-friendly. That's all. Thank you for your attention.